Well done, Dontia team. Actually, it's. I also got to know from my neighbors, how well they have been treated, and today, I know that I have a place. I never thought a smaller size teeth can create so much of problem. Disrupting the whole life. So I'm happy that Dontia is there, and I would like to come back again. And also, I'll recommend. I've already recommended people, to go to Dontia, and because of the nice team there, and I'm sure, and my family members also. In future, if they have any problem, I would like to definitely come back. Thank you, Dontia team.